Okay, so this is the lesson for week 1, lesson 2. This is if you are given a function and the output. So if you think back to the last lesson, week 1, lesson 1, you were given inputs, things that you had to plug in, and then you came up with the output. These problems, you are given the output. So you're trying to figure out what was the input that would produce that output. So let me show you how you do this. So here's the original function, and here's what came out of it. So all you have to do is set the function equal to the output. And then if you solve this equation, right, so you're going to add 4 to both sides, multiply both sides by 2, you can figure out what the input was. The input was 10, which produced this output of 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more. Let me move this up here. All right, so here, again, you just take the original function, set it equal to the output that was provided, and then solve the equation. So I'm going to add, sorry about that. Let me try that again. Again, still learning this program. Here we go. Add 6 to both sides. Multiply both sides by 4 to undo that fraction. So the input here was 12.